What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you open a new Moo brokerage account. When you put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $1,000 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks. Limited time offer, so don't delay, act today. Get yourself down in that description box, click on that Moo link. Open up that Moo account today. Go get the free stock. Go get the free money. I'll also send you a couple of Moo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moo brokerage app so that you can start building wealth immediately. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened the Moo account. Let me know you funded it. And I'm going to send you out those Moo tutorial videos. This past week was a roller coaster, to say the least, in the stock market. We started out on Monday rallying. I mean, we thought, or at least I thought, we were going to the moon. And we did for about one day. And then Tuesday came. And then Wednesday came. And Tuesday and Wednesday, we had a huge sell-off. Then, of course, on Thursday, the market wasn't open for former President Jimmy Carter, his passing. And then on Friday, the market opened and continued to sell off. So we only have to go up from here, guys. I'm still a optimist when it comes to the stock market in 2025. I think it's going to be a monster year. I think what you've seen happen is a slight rotation out of artificial intelligence, tech, to some other industries. But overall, the 3 major indexes were down the second half of the week. So not only tech was down, but pretty much everything else was down. Now on Friday, I did manage to slip in on one of my shorts, Walgreens, and make a little bit of FCF, right? The only reason I made that FCF is I got up that morning around 7:30 like I normally do, and I started checking pre-market and checking on the financial markets to see what was going on. And I noticed that Walgreens was coming out on Friday morning when the market opened with their quarter ending November 2024 earnings report. And it looked good. So I said, man, this might run this morning. So I went ahead and purchased me some shares as soon as the market opened. And I was absolutely right. The stock price went up about $3 a share at one point and then settled, I believe, around $11.50 for the day. I think that's where it closed at, somewhere up in there. And I got in a lot lower than that. So made some FCF, but pretty much everything else, my long-term stuff, my other shorts were all trading in the red. Now we can look at that as a bad thing, but I would ask you guys to look at that as a positive. Get yourself ready to go for Monday, January 13th. I think we'll start seeing the tide will start changing. Now, we could still be red, but I believe we'll turn green at some point. So take the opportunity while everything's in the red to go ahead and perhaps, enjoy dip season and pick up some really good discounts on some big boy blue chip paper assets. And then at some point in January, I believe, the tide will turn and we'll go higher. Next week as well, we got your CPI inflation report for December. So we'll see how the year ended as it relates to inflation. That may spark the market one way or the other, depending upon what the data says. If the data comes in that inflation is under control and coming down, that's a good thing because the Fed can use that to justify reducing or cutting short-term interest rates in 2025. If inflation is kind of peeking its head upwards, it could have the reverse effect on the Fed. They could then say, we're not going to cut as many times because we still haven't gotten inflation where we want it. So it could be a two-edged sword, but nevertheless, that report will be coming out next week. I'm not sure what date, but I'm assuming it'll be Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday next week. You guys go out and do your homework and figure that one out. But that's a good report you want to kind of take a look at. And then, of course, at the end of the month, the Federal Reserve will have its first meeting of 2025 to discuss interest rates and some other things, right? So just be prepared. I still think January is a strong month historically for the stock market. Like I said, we had a couple pieces of data come in this week that kind of tanked things, but hey, that happens, right? As long-term investors, our goal should be to dollar cost average in, no matter if the market is up, down, sideways. Just dollar cost average in, big boy blue chip paper assets, and you will be fine. That's what I'm going to continue to do as my primary investment strategy. And then, of course, my secondary investment strategy is dealing with short-term investing with some companies I've identified, and you guys know what those companies are. And if you don't, send me an email through my website, and I'll be more than happy to send you the videos that will outline the 7 shorts that I'm looking at. But that's constantly changing, right? As I get new information in, as I'm out doing my research, guys, I will change those shorts and I'll mix it up a little bit. Just so that I'm always in front of this thing. And again, my job here is not to try to be a financial advisor or an expert. My job here is to share with you guys what I'm doing. And if you like what I'm doing and you want to copy the plan, you're more than welcome to. But remember, that's your responsibility to make sure you go out and do your own homework and make sure anything that you put your money in is in your best interest to build wealth, not my best interest, because I'm going to do that for myself. And you need to do that for you as well. So drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what y'all think about what happened this past week in the stock market. Started off Monday on fire, but ended up on Friday not on fire. So, and do you believe we're going to get back to green, or do we stay in the red a little bit longer? Love to know your feedback and your comments on that. So drop it down in the comment box. If you want up to 15 free stocks from Moo, you guys know what to do. Click on that link down in the description box. Open up that new Moo account, man. Put $100 in there, get your 5 free stocks. Put $1,000 in there, get your 15 free stocks. And now you're ready to build wealth. Go get the free stock, man. Go get the free money. www.richardfain.net is my website address. 10 big boy blue chip digital products that will change your financial life, guys. Increase your financial literacy, you will increase your wealth. And that's what those digital products help you do. So go check them out and make an investment in yourself today. Also, when you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got over 1,200 wealth builders in our financial community. It's going fantastic. All we do in there is help each other build wealth. None of us are experts. None of us try to be experts. We're just regular people like you and me that have come together in a community, and we share best practices. We share golden nuggets. We share tips. We share what's working and what's not working. We use our collective investing experience to try and answer questions and point people in the right direction. Get yourself out of the matrix and bring yourself over to the Wealth Builders. All you got to do is click on that join button in the website or that membership button. It'll take you over to Patreon and sign up for the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.